You are two friends who got lost in a very scary part of town at night.
Where are we? How do you think I know? I don't know how to do this. What was that? Oh my god. I think I'll go. Oh my god. Is that good? Okay, go. Come on, let's figure out a way to get down. I think okay, let me pull up my phone. I forgot my heart monitor. Okay, it says that we just need to make it around the corner and my house is right there. Guys! Is that a police car? Oh my god. Oh my god. My heart monitor can't take this. I want it. I need to get home. What is for what? We don't talk about that. The police are after me. Okay. We need to get through this fast. Okay. So maybe I can call my mom to pick us up. I don't think we can walk that far. Okay.
Wait, but if you're blind and your mom